Let's talk herd.
It does feel like you say that it's opening an energetic pathway, and so then it just exists for all. And just in a way it just shifts the possibilities. Like all of us, what we're all doing in our own way.
Oh, yes. Look at Travis. He just went and shook, took a dust bath, shook it off, and born anew right there.
I can feel it.
Look at him, like a black stallion.
Yeah. He feels joyful and sparkly.
Yeah. Yes. And releasing, releasing. Unabashedly.
Unabashed. I love that word for horses.
Me too.